How to fix Skype cannot change background. First things first, Skype has been discontinued as of 2025 and it has been now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to use this feature within the Microsoft Teams, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device and also make sure that you are in a meeting or simply hosting one. Now, once you're here within the meeting panel or on the ongoing meeting, you simply have to tap on this three-dotted menu icon from the bottom navigation bar. Now you simply have to scroll down until you find the change background option. Go ahead and tap on this. Now simply select your background from here. You have to select your desired or any choice of background that you like. You can also select the blur option. Once you tap on this, there you go. This is how you can set or you can change your background on Microsoft Teams. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.